G'day guys, Richie here from Promt Parts. Today we're talking about hub kits and propellers and the range that we offer. The two props that we offer is the interchangeable hub type like this. The inner hub's been machined out to take a hub kit like this, which will fit all different brands and models depending on the type of hub kit that you've got. So at Promt Parts, we've got hub kits to suit all different manufacturers, makes and models, sizes and horsepowers. It's just a simple hub kit, normally 3 or 4 pieces. It's got an inner rubber hub with the spline, where it would slot into the propeller like so. Thrust washer, that would end up going on the propeller shaft. A rear spline washer before the final nut would go on the back to tighten down with this cotter pin. Benefits of having an interchangeable hub is that under an impact or hit the bottom or debris in the water, the hub kit's designed to shear inside the propeller to save you essentially ruining the internals of your gearbox and also having to re-hub your propeller if you have a soft rubber bush hub. We typically carry all different propellers to suit lots of makes and models. There's not a lot of engines out there that we can't find a prop to match. We do carry quite a lot of the interchangeable hub types. It means that we can carry a lesser range that we can interchange the hub kits on to suit different manufacturers. Courier overnight, give us a call. We know that you give us information that you do have, and we'll be able to match something up and get it to you overnight. So the other type of propellers that we do stock here is the pressed in rubber hub prop. So these are pressed in with a special tool from factory. It's not something that you could achieve at home. Normally what you'd have to do is if you spun one of these, you can purchase a new pressed in hub, which we do have plenty of stock for all different makes, models, sizes, and horsepowers. As these are pressed in, you need to definitely make sure you get the right propeller for your application, as you can't change the hub kit out of these without getting it sent away. In some instances, they can be a lot softer when you're shifting gears, a little bit less rattly when you're idling around. In some instances, if you do have a stainless propeller, in certain propeller applications, it is worth getting them repressed in with a new hub. A lot of the genuine propellers are quite expensive, and if you put a new hub kit in them, it can save you a few $100s. So for more information on the application of the hub kit that you require, hop on to promptparts.co.nz or give us a call 09 263 6000. Cheers.